The 2026 Toyota Sienta makes a bold return to the compact MPV segment, offering a fresh blend of innovation, practicality, and efficiency that caters to modern families and urban explorers. With its iconic tallboy design now more refined and stylish, the new Sienta stands out with a sleeker silhouette, smooth lines, and dynamic LED lighting. Toyota has successfully retained its unique charm while incorporating contemporary upgrades that enhance both aesthetics and function under the hood. The 2026 Sienta features Toyota's latest hybrid powertrain, delivering impressive fuel efficiency and low emissions, perfect for city driving and long journeys alike. Its 1.5-liter inline-3 hybrid engine offers a smooth yet responsive driving experience, supported by the E4 all-wheel drive system available in higher trims. Toyota's focus on sustainability and technology ensures that the Sienta remains a leader in eco-friendly family transportation without compromising performance or reliability. Step inside, and you're greeted by a versatile and roomy cabin designed with family needs in mind. The 3-row seating layout comfortably accommodates up to 7 passengers, and clever storage spaces are tucked throughout the interior. The second-row seats slide and recline easily for maximum comfort, and the third row can be folded flat to expand the cargo area, making it ideal for carrying strollers, groceries, luggage, or sports gear. Sliding rear doors ensure easy access, especially in tight parking spaces, making the Sienta an ideal urban vehicle. Technology takes center stage in the 2026 Toyota Sienta. The cabin features a new 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a digital instrument cluster and optional head-up display. USB-C ports are available throughout the cabin, ensuring all passengers stay connected and charged on the go. Toyota's latest Smart Connect system provides over-the-air updates, intelligent navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. Safety is also a top priority in the new Sienta. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, featuring advanced driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, road sign assist, and more. These features are designed to offer peace of mind and assist drivers in navigating busy roads safely and confidently. Toyota also offers a variety of trim levels and color options, including trendy two-tone paint schemes that allow for greater personalization. Eco-conscious buyers will appreciate the use of sustainable interior materials in select variants, reflecting Toyota's commitment to reducing environmental impact. Whether you're a small family needing a reliable daily driver or someone who values practicality, comfort, and advanced tech in a compact footprint, the 2026 Toyota Sienta is a compelling choice. It merges Japanese engineering with real-world usability, offering a forward-thinking mobility solution that doesn't sacrifice charm or character. The all-new Sienta is more than just a minivan. It's a smart, stylish companion built for modern life.